Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, I will show you how to insert page border in Word document. Let's begin. First of all, open your Word document. Then click on Design tab. Choose Page Border option on right top corner. OK. Here you need to select the second option, that is box. Alright. After selecting box option, you need to choose style of the page border. OK. You can see there are multiple page border styles are given, and you have to choose to select your border style. After border style, you can select the border color. For example, I'm selecting the red color. OK. You can adjust the width of your page border. Alright. Page borders of multiple widths are available. So, at the end, you need to select the section where you want to add page border. You can apply it to whole document or specific section. OK. Now, press OK. You can see page border has been added to the page. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.